Sujit, I see a big mic kind of setup there. What
Yeah.
exactly is behind that?
Oh, that is the recording booth.
Oh, okay.
You can call it as a vocal booth or
All
a
right.
recording room,
Okay.
whatever. Yeah, come on, let us go and see.
Oh, thank you. I will. Oh, that's the first time I'm
Yeah.
inside a studio.
Yeah.
So, Sujit, tell me more about this recording room. What are the features? What is different from the console?
Sound room is the main part of a studio. So we need to give more attention on soundproofing actually.
Oh, okay.
We created a second wall. Actually, what we are seeing is a second wall here.
Okay.
And apart from the second wall, we have fixed the acoustic panels like this.
All right.
To absorb the echoes in the
Okay.
room. So this will give a good damping and noise control and sound control. Even you yourself can feel how we are talking in this room.
There's a difference in this room.
There's a lot of difference. Difference. And here we are inviting the artist, whomever they are coming, and they can stand in front of the mic or sit on the floor. Maybe a tableist, he can sit on the floor.
Okay, and then
or
he
a
can
veena
perform.
player, they can perform like that.
All right.
Chorus, they can stand together. Like an arch.
Yeah.
So,
Like we have seen the.
Yeah, that's the thing. Soundproof process, I had to spend a lot actually.
Oh, okay. This is the main investment you have
Yeah,
done.
main investment because the soundproofing is main. It is
Yeah.
costly.
The
also.
most vital part of
the studio.
Okay.
You know, being an art person, I prefer earth tone here.
Okay.
So you can see the tones here.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever the tones used.
Yeah, I see that.
And moreover, lights and all. Light is obviously giving a moody.
Yes, it does.
Kind
yes,
of this thing. So I have added that kind of lights, and we have given different lights according to the mood. We can put the lights. We can switch over to one light to another light.
Okay.
You know, for some artists, they may not like more lights on.
Oh, okay.
They got everything in their hand.
All right. Yeah.
So what they prefer is a low light, a moody kind of a lighting,
Okay.
so they can peacefully sit and do the guitars, whatever.
Their performance. Yeah.
This thing. Some people, they are very particular about video capturing.
Okay.
So in that case, we have given more powerful lights on the ceiling,
Okay.
which can be switched on for
So
the
basically, you can
video shoot.
customize and play around.
Yeah, customize.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That's good.
I am very particular about the artist's peace of mind.
Oh,
and
that's
their
very
happiness.
important. Yeah.
So the entire booth is giving some sort of positive vibe. That's what people say.
Yeah. All right.
Whomever ended,
I'm sure it's true.
Yeah. Whomever ended in this booth, they said, okay, you got a positive vibe, you got nice colors,
Okay.
pleasing atmosphere.
Okay.
So pleasant atmosphere. That's what I got feedback. So I'm very happy in that also.
Nice to know.
That is
So just wanted to know what brand mic is this?
This is Rode. It's an
Okay.
Australian mic. It's one of the famous mic in industry.
Okay. For the studio room
For studio
recording.
purpose. This is condenser mic. We need to give 48 volt of phantom power to this mic. Then only it will work. It will
40
capture.
Okay.
Because we have capsules here, both sides.
Oh wow.
We can use it as a figure eight kind of a setting.
Okay.
One person can stand here, another person can be here.
Oh, okay.
So simultaneously
Two sides
we can
recording.
two-side recording we can have.
That's nice.
And this got Omni. We can do the entire room recording.
So how much does this Rode mic cost?
It is little expensive.
Okay.
But anyway, quality-wise it is good because even abroad and India, everywhere internationally, I mean, studios are all using this particular.
They prefer this brand. Okay, that's nice. I'm so excited to record a small portion. Do you mind if I do?
Oh, okay. I'm glad to record yours. We'll have a small recording session.
All right.
Okay. Let me get into that.
Sure. എത്രയോ ജന്മമായി നിന്നെ ഞാൻ തേടുന്നു അത്രമേലിഷ്ടമായി നിന്നെ പുണ്യമേ ദൂരെ തീരങ്ങളും മൂകതാരങ്ങളും സാക്ഷികൾ എത്രയോ ജന്മമായി നിന്നെ ഞാൻ തേടുന്നു. So Sudhit, thanks a lot for your time in showing me around the studio. It was a great experience and Thanks for the recording as well.
So thanks to you for visiting my studio.
It was a
And
pleasure.
anyway, wish you all the best for your
Thank you.
channel.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. And thank you.